There is the piece. It's leaking right in here. Kind of hard to see. Let's see if we can focus on it. There we go. Leaking right there. And this guy kind of went like this. Hooked back up into there. And the small tube right back there. You can see all the antifreeze sitting down right here where it was leaking right above this one. This one's okay. Anyway, and then it comes back down and it goes right down in here. So, I got it out. That's the old one. And now for the new one. Put that down. Like my hands? Oh yeah. Find the new one. And here's the new one. There we go. The new one and the old one. That guy is going to go in. Alright, so car's running. No leak. See the new black hose there? Down in there. This way. That's where it was leaking. Back down. Here. And it is good. AC works good. No leaks. Been running for a little bit. That's good. That's where it would leak. It was going to leak right there. Guy down here. Okay. Hard to see.
Done.